Alerts YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to introduce the Samruddha Foundation for the Disabled, Belgavi. Samruddha Foundation for the Disabled, it is an NGO started on 17 March 2023 at Shahunagar, Belgaum, and it is working with the aim to create self-employment of disabled persons and other social activities. As a part of this project, we started manufacturing of cleaning accessories and cyber center, and we have given job opportunity for 8 disabled students. There are dreams of doing many things for the benefits of the society, and they will surely be fulfilled with your blessings. Now I am going to introduce to the President of Samruddha Foundation for the Disabled, Mr. Shivangouda Patil. Mr. Shivangouda Patil born in 8 March 1996 at Sankeshwar. From 1st standard to 4th standard, he studied at Kannada Medium School, Belgaum as a normal student. After that some headache disease, he lost his sight and was home for 6 years. Later he studied from 6th to 7th standard in Maheshwari Blind School. He completed his SSLC and PUC by external and completed his degree at RPD College and MA in Political Science from KSOU University, Mysuru. Mr. Shivangouda Patil has worked in Samanvaya Blind Foundation as a General Secretary for 3 years as a social service. Now he became the founder and president of the Samruddha Foundation for the Disabled. After this, I am going to introduce the Secretary of Samruddha Foundation for the Disabled, Mr. Prashant Potdar. Mr. Prashant Potdar born in 6th June 2000 at Tarihal. He completed his first to 10th standard at Maheshwari Blind School, Belgaum, PUC at Lingraj PU College, and completed his BA degree at Benan Smith Methodist Degree College. And now he is pursuing his MA in Public Administration from KSOU University, Mysuru. He has worked in Samanvaya Blind Foundation as a volunteer for 3 years. Now he became a secretary of Samruddha Foundation for the Disabled. The main objective of Samruddha Foundation is to provide employment to disabled students. It includes some activities underway and some activities are aimed at. Project number 1, Production of Cleaning Accessories. In this project presently we are manufacturing phenyl, hand wash, dishwash and mops. In this project we have given job opportunity for 6 physically challenged persons. Outcome of this project is been using for maintenance of workers and other social activities. Project number 2, Orchestra Team Project. In our foundation, we have all-rounder artists. In this team, we give talent show and musical night programs all over Karnataka. In this project, there are 9 physically challenged persons are giving their best and working for the foundation with their self-achievements. With this, we have our own sound system. Including our programs, we give this sound system for rent also. Project number 3, Stationery Products Sale. In this project, we purchase the stationery items in wholesale and our physically challenged persons sell these items in retail price. By this activity, we have given work for 6 physically challenged persons. Project number 4, Cyber Center. It is an unique project for disabled community. In this project, we are working on cyber works for the disabled persons who are unable to go outside for the cyber activities. We collect documents from WhatsApp and we apply for the respective applications and we send their acknowledgement. By this project, many of disabled persons applying for various applications from their home. In this project, we have given job opportunity for 2 physically challenged persons. Project number 5, Food and Accommodation Facility for Higher Education Students. For some disabled students after completion of SSLC, There is no appropriate hostel facility. So our foundation is started providing the food and accommodation facility for physically challenged persons who are getting their higher education in Belgaum. Project number 6, Eco-friendly activities. In this project, we collect wastage items which have been kept as useless in home by public like newspapers, unused books and other materials. In this project, we recycle these products and we will make use these products for education of visually challenged students. If you have any materials listed above, you can contact us. Project number 7, Sports Activities. This is our upcoming project. Under this project, we plan to organize state level sports like chess tournament and cricket tournaments for differently able persons. Project number 8, Computer Training and Communication Skill for differently able students. It is also our upcoming project. In this project, we have aimed to give computer training and communication skill training under government projects for differently able persons. Project number 9, Arrangement of Scribe. In this project, we work to arrange scribes for blind students all over Karnataka for their exams. We arrange scribe for SSLC, PUC, degree, competitive exams and all other exams. Till now, we have arranged scribe for more than 1000 students. Project number 10, Providing free education to the economically weak students. Along with this, we also provide free education to poor and deprived students. We are also giving education to students who are economically weak and who have grown up due to lack of education, and we are helping them to increasing their communication skill. These are the total 11 projects which have been conducted in the Samruddha Foundation for the Disabled. And our office address is Samruddha Foundation for the Disabled, Belgavi. And mobile number is 9035592 We are requesting you to visit our foundation and get more information about our NGO. Thank you.